Jimmy Bowler's 20.
We had a great workout today, didn't we? Yeah, we got out there on the court today. Out here working? All right, so now afterwards, you know, kids want to do what kids want to do. Good workout today? Yeah. All right, let's get it. Still dunking that thing. Dunking it. Woo!
Bring it back to your body. You're bringing it that way now, not here. Boom, boom. There you go. Yes. Jab in. Jab in. Jab back. Jab back. Jab forward. Cross. Here. Jab through me. Get me off for you. Get me off for you. Don't move that foot. Get me off for you. There you go. Jab back. Back. Jab forward. Jab that way. That way. Now spin around. Jab that way. There you go. Now jab forward. When you spin, jab. When you spin that way, jab right back and forth. Now get me off of you. There you go. Do it again. Do it again. There you go. Go. Keep on. Jab that way. Spin. Look. And jab that way. Yes. Jab again. Jab again. Yes. Jab again. Jab again. Jab again. Jab in. Yes. Now bring it back. That jab is hard. Bring it back. Go. Bring it back. There you go. Bring it. Jab again. Bring the ball with you. No, no, no. That way. Cover your body. Let me see. Guard me. This way. So they got to come through your body. This way. Jab it this way. Cover the ball. That way. Yes. Go again. Go again. Go again. Now jab here. Go. Jab here. Slide. Jab here. There you go. Now you can do that. Now you can do that. Double jab. Jab. Boom. Yes. Do it again. Yes. 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 Go again. I gotta move now. I gotta move now. Right? Go. Here. Yep. Yes. So look. Jab, I want you to jab here. Jab there. Sweep it back through. Boom. Boom. There you go. There you go. You understand that? You got it? That's enough for today. Thanks.
I started off with the little rock too, 8.5. Let me see if you got the bunnies. All right, Bronny, go ahead. See if you got those bunnies. Real easy. Real easy. Like, show the floor to Bryce. Oh, man, where you shooting from? Show from the Staples Center. Oh, man. It's the only way he gonna get better. Playing against his older brother. I like that.
Little homies out here getting their hoop game on. Oh, come on, man. Now that ain't even fair, Bronny.
At all. Bronny got like 14.
He need to be playing the big boys game.